always been just friends, but lately these feelings for you have gotten in the way. So when the stars align, I'm gonna make you mine, because you and me, we're like milk and tea. We'll stir it up together and still make something sweet. So don't be afraid and just make my day. Just tell me that your heart can feel the same way. You should know